Putative father has rights to visit his minor child, according to Delhi High Court. For further information, we shall go to inside the video. I kindly request all the viewers to watch this small video in full. Now we shall move to inside the video. The Delhi High Court on Thursday held that a putative father is entitled to visitation or rights of a minor child, and that while granting such rights, the well-being of a child is of paramount importance. Kindre Dir versus Veer Singh. Justice V. Kameswar Rao said that there cannot be any dispute that the child has a right to love and affection of both the parents, which supersedes the privileges of both parents. It cannot be disputed that the respondent, being a putative father, shall be entitled to visitation rights while determining the granting such rights, more so when the child is of less than 3 years of age. Surely his welfare is of paramount importance. At the same time, the minor must not be insulted from parent touch, reference Ruchi Majo Supra, and influence of the other parent for healthy growth of the child and development of his personality. The court said Justice Rao was dealing with a petition filed by mother of a 2.5-year-old boy challenging the order of the family court, which granted the boy's putative father visitation rights for 2 hours every day. The petition said that the family court had given the visitation rights on the grounds that the respondent putative father had admitted paternity of the minor child and that both petitioner and respondent were residing in the same premises, although on different floors. But these grounds were misconceived, the petition said. It was argued that the trial court had disregarded the welfare of the child by permitting unsupervised access and left it open for the respondent to take wherever he pleased between the 2-hour window. Counsel appearing for the petitioner submitted that it was the stand of the respondent that the minor child is his illegitimate son and now born out of a wedlock. Therefore, he is the putative father who is not akin to a biological father, and hence preference should be given to the biological mother. However, counsel appearing for respondent said that they have never disputed the paternity of the minor child and that he is providing for all his needs. It was also submitted that the respondent is a devoted father and it is the petitioner who is trying to extract huge sums of money from him despite the fact that he has been bearing all her expenses. It was submitted that the sole purpose of the petition was to exclude him from the life of the child. Relying on the Supreme Court judgment in Amraya Trivedi, the High Court said that the apex court has held that in case a parent is not granted custody, he or she shall be entitled to visitation rights, and therefore the question before it was whether the visitation rights granted in father favor was justified or not. Justice Rao said that the child's ties with the father should not be completely and perpetually stopped in order to ensure a healthy emotional quotient and a robust psychological growth for which the affection of both parents is necessary, the court opined. The judge therefore modified the family court order directing that instead of daily visitation, the father will be allowed to visit the child on alternate weekdays for 2 hours between 6 p.m. and 8 p.m. On Sunday, the respondent will be allowed to pick up the child from his mother's place at 11 a.m. and return him at 5 p.m. The putative father was also directed to ensure safety of the child by ensuring adherence to all COVID protocols. The court also allowed him to talk to the child through video or audio call once a day for 10 minutes on days he is not visiting him personally. With these directions, the petition was disposed of. Senior Advocate Geeta Luthra, along with Advocate Shivani Luthra Lohia, Asmita Narula, Anubhav Singh, and Priyanka Prasant appeared for the petition. The respondent was represented by senior advocates Rebecca M. John along with advocates Gauri Rishi, Manav Gupta, Srishti Januja, Garima Sigal, Sahil Garg, Ankit Gupta, and Pravita Kashyap advocates. Hello viewers, if you are liking this video means kindly press the like button as well as share to your friends and relatives. I kindly request all the viewers to subscribe this Aravindar and Arul channel. Moreover, I thank you for your valuable time spent for watching this video. Your response has been highly appreciated. Once again, thank you very much.